Let's make a rose out of salami. You could add this rose to a cheese board, or to any other platter. All you need is a pack of salami, and a small round glass. Fold the salami pieces in half, and layer them over the edge of the glass. The salami slices should overlap, like this. Keep adding salami slices, creating a few layers of salami. Press on top with your hands, to tighten the rose. Then, simply tip the rose onto a plate, or onto a cheese board. You can decorate the plate with salad or cheese. I have added rosemary, but other herbs will also look nice.